So what does this show us? Let's watch the numbers and see if we can make sense of it. It's a number line that goes from 0 to 4, and I have that part of the number line rotating so that when it hits on the left side of 0, there's a blue circle, there's a red circle, and there's a green circle. Well, I would argue that the 1 on the right side of 0 is the yellow line acts as the left side, which if you thought it was -1, you're correct. And the 2 on the right side of 0, as you watch, it makes a mirror image, equal distance, but to the left of 0, that's where you find -2. And then over the green, number 3, as you traveled around, I saw that it crossed the number line right there to the left of 0. Okay, that's all well and good, but I'm wondering about these terms greater than and less than. Well, on the right side of 0, 3 is greater than 2 because 3 is further to the right. But to the left side of 0, -3 is actually less than -2 because it's further to the left from 0, so it's further away from 0. Also, it's further away from any positive numbers. So that's another clue that -3 is less than -2.